up, you guys? I am definitely excited to share this video with you. It's kind of going to be a quick tutorial makeup, Miami inspired makeup look, just to kind of show you more or less. I didn't really have this planned, so I'm just kind of improvising as I go. And something really simple but yet really cute, so you can even wear this on the day-to-day if you wanted to, or like I said, I'm just trying to kind of share with you what type of makeup looks you can use while you are in Miami, because this is a Miami inspired I couldn't even talk. This is a Miami inspired makeup look, so keep watching if you want to know how I get this look. I've already put the transition color on my eyes, as you can see. It's actually the color from the Anastasia palettes Modern Renaissance. So I decided to go ahead and put the transition color because I didn't know which color I'm going to use. I'm kind of trying to decide here. I'm always so indecisive. And when you go to Miami, I think of colorful, I think of beautiful colors, tropical, hoops, tan. If you've never been to Miami, you need to go, because that place is the shit. And I'm looking on my Morphe palette and I'm thinking I have to do this really quick because I gotta go pick up my twins, my boys. But I'm kind of trying to decide. I want to do like, because then my dress that I'm wearing, I don't know, it's kind of like this cute little dress. I'll show you guys later after I do the makeup. But I have this little like cute little dress on, and it's basically got a lot of these colors, blue, pink, the little greens, and it's just, I don't know what to do with my hair. Okay, sorry, not looking glamorous today. I'm just ready to show you what's up with this Miami inspired look. I'm thinking, when I went to Miami, it was several years ago, and it's very humid out there, so it's not like you want to pack on the makeup, because then you literally are like, if you're outside, your makeup is gonna run like crazy. So yeah, that's my tip to you for sure. So since I already put the transition color on, I don't know, I'm a little inspired because I got my nails done and my nails came out so bomb. They did like 2 colors, and I was like, I was loving this color, let me tell you. I was like, yes please, yes, that one right there. And it was actually like a neon, like orangey color, so I was like, okay, we can work with this. And then the lady was like, oh no, we have one more color to do. And I was like, please. And she did it, and I was in love with my nails. I was like, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So the color that I'm using is basically kind of matching my nail color. So like I said, when you go to Miami, you can seriously go throughout the day with very minimal makeup, because you will be walking around and you will be shopping and eating and going to the beach. And usually, I don't know about you, but I don't really like putting on a whole lot of makeup when I know I'm gonna be like walking around. It's kind of good to just kind of, ooh, I like this song. It's kind of good to just leave it very simple for the day, and then at night when you go out, you can basically just have fun with your makeup. So I'm literally just improvising, you guys. Like I'm kind of in a rush, and I hate to be rushed, because sometimes, though, I'm not gonna lie, when I'm rushing, my makeup comes out better. Does that happen to you? Because that happens to me, but I don't know if today is gonna be that day. So yeah, I was kind of wanting to do more of a colorful like a teal. When I think of Miami, I think of teal colors. I think of like magenta colors. I think of just all those tropical colors. And yeah, I don't know. I'm not feeling that right now though. I don't know. I'm kind of just trying to see how this color is gonna look. And I'm very happy because I have been trying so hard to get some color on my skin, and I'm not even where I want to be at this very moment. So, ooh, that's a really pretty color. Hey, I'm digging it. So this color that I put on is like a corally color. I don't even know what the heck the name of this color is, but it's from the Morphe palette with all these fancy, beautiful colors. It's this one right here, and yeah, I think it's that one. When I got this palette, I was so excited. I was like, yes, yes, thank you, thank you. I waited like a solid week for this, and a week is like eternity for me when it comes to waiting for a product that I'm like dying to have. So yeah, I'm gonna just get some of the yellow that's on here. Like I said, I don't even know what I'm doing right now, but this yellow is funky. It's kind of not what I was going for, but it's just funky, and we're gonna go with it. We are gonna go with this funky ass mustard color because I'm just in that kind of mood to improvise and try something different. This is just part one of Miami inspired look right here, okay? Let me just tell you, because there are so many different colors on this palette that I want to try, and I'm like, there's just so many. Like, I'm just like, what the hell do I use? It's crazy. Like, all these colors are just getting me super excited because I'm like, whoa, what's a girl to do with all these colors? I'm telling you. And I love these coral colors. I am such a sucker for the coral. Like, it's just complete bliss to me when I have a coral color, whether it be for lips. I never really used it for my eyes, but today's the day we are using it. And I went in with some other yellow color on the palette. It's like a shimmery type of, I don't know, I guess it's got like a shimmer metallic-y feel to it. And yeah, basically, like, when you go to Miami, there is so much to do. I'm telling you, like, you need to check it out. The last time I went, I just went like crazy with the shopping. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna leave here broke, and I did, because I was totally like, yeah, about that life out there for sure. I'm going in with this brown sugar. I don't even know who this is by. It's by Beautiful, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, but it's always so much fun when you're getting ready, especially when you are in Miami. Like, there, like I said, is just so much to do out there. But when you're out there, I mean, you don't even really like care so much about how your makeup, if it's like perfection, as long as you're out and about and having a good time. Like, honestly, all that stuff doesn't really matter. I mean, you want to look good, obviously, but it ain't no big thing, chicken wing. So I am gonna grab some of this Milani Baked Blush. It's like in this really pretty peach color. And I'm just gonna go, it's kind of got like a little bit of a tint of, kind of like a highlight in it. like I said, I'm definitely trying to get this face nice and bronzy for you. And then my little bronzy thing that I have going on is all broken, so I'm trying to work with it. Work with me, work with me. It's always so fun when you know you're about to take a trip, especially when, because I'm a sucker for like the beach, so it's always like a lot of fun when you know, like, you get to go shopping before, because I don't know about you, but I went ham on my shopping spree before I left. I was like, I need this, and I need that, and I need this, and let me just get that. Yeah, I tend to overpack too, so I'm just going in with the Milani highlights. I really didn't know what other good one. I mean, I have a few, but I like this little tint that it gives me, so I'm just applying that with my, it's a BB brush. Came in one of the palettes. Focus, focus. Came in one of the palettes that I had, so. And then I can give you guys some more tips, aside from makeup, you know, what you should bring, what you should have with you when you go on a trip, especially to Miami. I definitely want to go back. It's been about a good solid, I don't know, like 2-3 years since I've been, so I am trying to get back out there, but we'll see. So far this is what I have. It's kind of got like that, whoa, hitting myself over here. I've got the yellow with the coral color on the ends. I kind of put a little bit of the coral underneath the eye, of course with some eyeliner and lashes, and you're good to go. Focus, come on. Okay, so I decided this look is gonna be a simple Miami inspired look. And usually when you do simple, less is more, I guess, right? So all I pretty much did is I went ahead and finished off just putting some eyeliner. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes right now. And I put some lashes, because you know, gotta have them lashes. And that's pretty much all I did, you guys. I added a little bit of lipstick. I put in my infamous Whirl by MAC. That's not even it. Showing you the wrong one. It's this one, Whirl. This is like my go-to right here. And all I did was put some of the 535 by Maybelline. And I topped it with a Maybelline matte gloss. That's all I did. That's all it takes. And like I said, with the eyes, I literally just did 2 colors. Okay, I lied. I didn't just do 2 colors, but it literally seems like it's just only 2 colors, does it not? Like, it took me so quick. I think it's because I'm in a rush to go pick up my munchkins. But check this look out. This is not even what I initially wanted to do in the first place. I was planning on doing like this super overly crazy glam look, which I think I'm gonna do a part 2 Miami inspired look, because I wanted to go in with the teal and match it up with the Candy Yum Yum. So we're using that next time on the next video. But I'm just gonna recap really fast. I literally only used a couple colors from the Morphe palette. I did like a transition color and a little bit of color right here underneath the eyebrow, and that was it. It was that simple. It was just like bloop, 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 quick. And let's be real, when you're on vacation, you're not really trying to take 2 hours to get ready. At least I'm not, because when I'm on vacation, I want to just hurry up, put my face on, and quick out the door. Some people like to take their sweet time getting ready, and like just kind of defeats the whole purpose of being on vacation. It's like you don't want to take that much time to get ready. You just want to do something quick. And literally this bun, if you want to see a separate tutorial on how I did this messy little bun right here, I'm not using a sock, I'm not using anything mysterious, there's nothing hiding in my bun. Is literally just up, twisty, tuck. That's literally what I did, and I'll show you on the next video too. I'll have a separate video, unless you don't want it, let me know. But literally this is what the look is. That's it. I added some highlight, I've got a little blush, and tried to bronze it up a little bit on the face. And literally this look can go for the day, or you can do it for the night too, because you can do whatever you want. This is your world, I'm just living in it. So yeah, let me know what you think about this look. I mean, I'm digging it. I'm thinking it's cute. I like it. I would totally do this look just even on the day-to-day over here without even being on vacation. But I think what really makes this look pop more than anything is the fact that I have that yellow color. It's like that shimmer in the corner of the eyes, if you can see it. It is, ooh, my hair is a hot mess. But literally on this little area right here, I am just trying to stab myself apparently right now. But I literally popped it with my little EcoTools brush. I went in and that was it. Show me some love. Don't forget to subscribe. I am an upcoming YouTuber, so that means I am fresh in the game. So I just want to be able to continue to provide really great content and videos for you. If there's something specific that you want to see, let me know. And I'm always willing to accept constructive criticism. Also, if I didn't forget to say, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, just like I said, comment anything, whatever that just makes me feel a little special, because right now I need some love from you guys for sure. I want to thank you for allowing me to be part of this YouTube community. As time progresses, you will see that I'm going to have even better videos to come, so stay tuned for that. And in the future, I'm definitely working on some giveaways as well, so we'll get there one step at a time. We will get there. So stay tuned for the part 2 on the Miami inspired makeup look. That one is going to be a little bit more intense. I'm going to go in a little bit more detail with that one, especially in the eyeshadow, and I'm definitely going to incorporate my Candy Yum Yum because this one can't be left out. I wanted to show you that on the next video and match it up with the makeup look that we have going on for the next video. So anyways, I'll stop talking your ears off. I have to get going. Gotta go run to pick up my boys. And last but not least, I was going to show you really fast the little dress that I'm wearing. I showed you earlier, but this is pretty much, and then this is the back. Look at the back. Isn't that cute? Ross, hello.